everyone. Today I want to show you how to fix the iPhone internal storage error. When you plug in your iPhone, you'll see that it is recognized. It says the internal storage, but it says this folder is empty. I'm going to show you quickly how to fix that. It's very simple. First thing you're going to do is you're going to unplug your iPhone. You're going to go into Settings, go into General, and scroll all the way to the bottom to where it says Reset. Go into there, and again to the very bottom where it says Reset, Location, and Privacy. And it's just going to ask you to confirm. Go ahead and do that. This is not going to mess anything up. Once that is done, plug your phone back into the computer. And once you've done that, on your phone, you're going to get this message asking you if you want to trust this computer. Click on Trust. On your computer, you're going to get a different message. It's going to open up iTunes and ask you if you want to access the information on the iPhone. Click Continue. Once that is done, unplug the iPhone, give it a few seconds, plug it back in. Once it recognizes it, it'll open up in your Windows Explorer. Open that up, and now you'll see the folders. And here are your files. And that's it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment at the bottom. Thanks for watching.